Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming you are an admin for the business manager and that you have the disabled Ad Account ID. Once confirmed, open business settings, then navigate to Accounts and Ad Accounts. Make sure any active campaigns are paused or already stopped so no billing surprises occur. If the account is disabled for policy reasons, keep verification documents ready. Now select the disabled ad account in the list to access its settings and prepare for removal. You should first request a review or attempt reactivation if you need ad history or access. If review fails or you don't need recovery, remove the account assignment. Under the selected ad account, choose Remove from Business, confirm you understand financial and permission impacts, and proceed. Before final removal, transfer ownership of pixels, catalogs, or pages to another business or admin. Once assets are moved and no dependencies remain, continue with the removal to avoid breaking tracking or page connections. After you remove the ad account, confirm the change in business settings and review billing and payments to ensure no lingering charges. Make sure you export any reports and receipts before losing access. If you encounter a block or the Remove button is unavailable, use Account Quality to file an appeal or contact business support with your verification documents. Include the ad account ID and exact error. Lastly, wait 24 to 72 hours.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.